Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to view sent follow request list on Instagram. First open Instagram, go to the profile, three lines, then go to the account center and then go to your informations and permissions and click on export your information. This will open a new page and click on create export. Export to device or whatever you want, click on export to device. And then you can add your Gmail account here. Customize information. This is how you can customize your information. Contacts, followers, and following. Just focus on this and then hit on save. And then make sure to check the media quality lower and then click on start export. After a while, come back to download your information. Under available downloads, you will see your file. Tap download, enter your password and it will open in your browser. Once downloaded, open your files app, locate the zip file. It starts with Instagram plus your username and unzip it. Inside the unzipped folder, go to connections, followers and following. Then open the file name. Here you will see all the follow requests you have sent that haven't been accepted yet. That's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you.